Hi, it's Elder. I record a lot of voiceovers for my online courses, tutorials and videos for YouTube. And usually I use a Blue Yeti microphone to do that. But recently, for the past 50 days or so, I have been using the new MacBook Pro and it has supposedly studio quality microphone. So in this video I want to compare it to Blue Yeti microphone. And honestly, I don't expect MacBook to be better, but I want to see what difference there will be between these two microphones, because I'm going on a trip and for me I just want to decide if I should pack this microphone with me or just taking MacBook might be enough for me. Okay, so right now I have the microphone, Blue Yeti microphone in front of me, and obviously because it is external microphone I can place it wherever I want. And because of that the audio quality will be better no matter what. When it comes to MacBook, the microphone is located close to the MagSafe adapter on the left side of the keyboard. So the closer I will get to this point on the MacBook, it will sound better. So let's try the Blue Yeti first. Okay, so now we should hear the Blue Yeti microphone and it is right in front of me, as you can see here. So obviously it will sound very clear and rich. And by the way, you can't even see it right now because it is kind of out of frame. So now this is the built-in microphone and it is obviously much further apart from me, about arm length from me. So I will take away my Blue Yeti for a moment, because if I'm going to record a voiceover, I can place a MacBook a little bit closer to me. So as you can see, it is getting louder. And I'm using the stand, it's not on the desk, so it will help maybe a little bit. If I want for voiceover to be a little bit richer, I can kind of get closer to the MacBook. If you're recording your voiceover in post using the, let's say, Final Cut Pro or whatever, you can, in theory, get a little bit closer to your MacBook and you can still see, look at the screen, see everything what's happening there and record it like this. I'm sure that right now this will be much closer to the Blue Yeti microphone. When I get as close to the microphone, let's compare this sound to Blue Yeti when it is that close. So this is the Blue Yeti microphone again, and well, if I place it in front of me, this is the best position for external microphone. It should be kind of looking at my chest, not directly at me, but something like that. And of course, on the microphone we have different settings. We have like 4 different modes. Depending on what we choose, we will get different type of audio. We also have gain control. I don't want to mess this gain during the recording, but yeah, you tell me, which one do you think is better? Well, I think that the Blue Yeti will be better, of course, but let me know if it is worth to carry around this microphone or using the built-in microphone on the MacBook might be good enough. And by the way, if you're interested in the new MacBook Pro, this M1 Pro chip, you should definitely watch this video next.